kind of makes sense. So I've just put these in here and screwed them in. And then this thing that was the wand, I think is what they're calling the wheel axle. We're gonna put that somewhere in here. And then these, I think these ends come out like that. So let me make that happen and then I'll try to explain it. Okay, so I put the axle tube, which is this thing, into this hole in the middle. And then you slide it out the sides. And I think the next thing we'll be putting these caps. So then on both ends, we're gonna put a washer and a wheel spacer. We did that on both sides. And next we're putting the wheels on. And put them on both sides. So I think they gave me one washer short. So I'm gonna go find one, but you're gonna put a washer and the wing nut. And then just tighten up. I'll make you watch that. Once your wheels are in place, you're gonna put these discs and just bang them on top. And then we're gonna do the screws, which I already did one. And the other screw in, and that's pretty much it. You're done with the base. Okay, so now your stand is built and you have a couple extra pieces that you can keep, which is the screwdrivers and the wrenches. And then we're going to turn this upside down. So this is the bottom. And then we're going to put this on here. Once I figure out how. Okay. So, I know how to put this on. Okay, it's on the base. It took a little bit of work with me and my husband, but we had to put the pipes into these holes. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's like these two holes, and it actually kind of works easier by setting the top piece down on the floor and then pushing these in.